Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say thank you in Thai. You know, you're in Thailand and you just got there. You want to say thank you to people, right? You don't want to walk around, don't say no thank you like me. No, what am I saying? No, you want to be nice to people. You want to be polite. You want people to like you, do good things and give you free stuff, right? Bigger portion food or charge you less. I don't know. So today I'm going to teach you how to say thank you in Thai. But stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a secret word they can use all the time for people to instantly like you, just like they like me, right? All right, let's get going. The word of the day, thank you in Thai. ขอบคุณ 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 A little faster. ขอบคุณ As a man, you could say ขอบคุณครับ Or you can just drop the R and just say ขอบคุณครับ 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 As a woman, you put the word ka at the end. It'll be ขอบคุณค่ะ 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 Now, in Thai culture, we have this thing called why. Why is how you put your hands together like this, like praying, but you're not really praying. It's just like give yourself a high five, right? Like high five, like that, right? So you say ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ You see this hand like this, like that, right here, like that. Yeah, do that. Do it with me. Like give you a high five like that, Yeah. Yeah, put right here. Okay. Don't put up here. Don't put down here. Don't put it left or right or whatever. Just put it right in the middle. Just like act like normal. Don't be a weirdo, right? Not going like this, right? Just going like this. Like ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณค่ะ Now, I'm going to teach you a secret. The secret I promised you from the beginning of the video, this secret right here is a secret word that's going to get you to get more free stuff. Yeah, people are going to love you, people are going to like you, people are going to instantly attract to you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. A bunch of single guys out there watching this, you know what you're going to Thailand for. I know what you're going to Thailand for. To make friends, right? Yeah, I know you, man. So, anyway, secret word. Now you drop the word krap or ka at the end. You replace it with the word ja. You're probably thinking, who is this guy? Who is this fool telling me a weird word, man? You're not going around telling nobody. It's a secret word between you and I, right? So, you walking on a street and you're at a street food stall and you see this auntie's like cooking up the storm, and she's all like tired and all sweaty and all like, all hot and all that stuff and, and you say, ขอบคุณจ้า ขอบคุณจ้า. If you do that, she could love you to death, my man. Or woman. Yeah. Serious, trust me. She'll be like, I've been on the street for so long, no one ever speak to me that nice before. Trust me, you have to elongate at the last word a little bit though. ขอบคุณจ้า The longer it is, the more genuine you are. Yeah. Now, do it with me. ขอบคุณจ้า ขอบคุณจ้า Make it even better. Do this too. Give yourself a high five. Right here, right here, like this. ขอบคุณจ้า ขอบคุณจ้า Don't go on like this. ขอบคุณจ้า No, don't go down here and down like this, man. Act like normal, like everyone else, right? ขอบคุณจ้า That will make your trip even better. No, seriously, trust me. Now, if you like this kind of content, give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. It means the world to me, my man. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. Peace.